Hello friends and welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel guys. Today video title is guys how to disable auto brightness mode. Friends, you want to disable your auto brightness mode in your Oppo phone. So guys, how can you disable it? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So guys, now let's see how to disable auto brightness mode. So first of all open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see the step setting in your Oppo phone. So guys click on guys this display and brightness setting guys. So you can see guys your auto brightness mode setting. So guys you want to disable, so right side icon guys you can see this icon guys. Tap here to disable. Then it will disable and guys you can increase and decrease brightness. You can customize yourself guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable auto brightness mode in a Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.